Welcome to the Sapphire by Adenbrook Homes. The Sapphire double-storey home design features our Hamptons-inspired Marina Façade. Step inside this stunning home and enjoy a relaxed, dedicated media lounge or convert to a children's activity or games room. Boasting a wide entry hall which flows into the true heart of this home, an inviting open-plan gallery-style kitchen, meals and living area, perfect for entertaining. Enhanced by the Hamptons-inspired colour palette used delicately to complement the surrounds of the modern theme of the home, the Sapphire graciously incorporates functional livability, visually appealing contemporary design with quality finishes throughout. Embrace the picturesque panoramas from the gourmet kitchen, featuring an oversized island bench that provides the ideal space for casual entertaining, with a generous walk-in pantry allowing any clutter to be well hidden from the main kitchen space. A cleverly located study nook adds vital functionality for everyday living. Nestled off the living areas of this home is the relaxed alfresco area, featuring an in-ground fiberglass swimming pool with travertine surround, providing the ultimate in outdoor living. On the upper floor, the grand master suite overlooks the front of the home, featuring a tranquil ensuite and expansive walk-in robe. Down the hall, you will find 3 additional generous-sized bedrooms, all containing built-in robes. These 3 bedrooms surround a centrally located, stylish main bathroom, featuring a full-sized bath and shower, perfect for growing families. The Sapphire delivers on innovation by providing the ultimate floor plan that is cohesive, practical and stylish, adding a touch of luxury to everyday living.